Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss the strategy pattern, a software design pattern. It lets an object choose its behavior at runtime, without changing the old code. The result is a system that is more flexible, easier to maintain, and easier to extend. Imagine a drawing application. In the button panel, users can choose draw circle or draw square. In the drawing panel, the selected shape is rendered. Now a new requirement appears: users also want to draw a triangle. How can we add it without changing the existing code for circles and squares? The naive approach is to add another if-else branch inside Canvas. When the shape is circle, draw a circle. When it is square, draw a square. When it is triangle, add another branch. This works at first, but every new shape forces us to edit the same class again. With the strategy pattern, we move the drawing behavior into separate strategy classes. First, define a common interface called shape drawing strategy. Then each shape gets its own implementation: circle, square, and triangle. Canvas only holds a strategy object and calls draw. Let us look at the diagram. The context is the Canvas class, which stores a reference to the strategy interface, shape drawing strategy. From that interface, we have three concrete classes: circle drawing strategy, square drawing strategy, and triangle drawing strategy. Canvas calls the draw method without caring about the implementation. The code becomes easier to maintain, test, and extend. Compare the before and after versions. Before refactoring, Canvas stores a string and decides the drawing behavior with if-else logic. After refactoring, Canvas stores a strategy object and delegates the drawing work to it. We replace conditional branching with polymorphism. In summary, use the strategy pattern when an object needs interchangeable behavior, and when you want to add new behavior without rewriting old code. The trade-off is that the number of classes increases, and the client must choose the right strategy. But for growing systems, this pattern keeps the design cleaner and easier to evolve. Thank you.